Hello and welcome. My name is Jack Roberts, and this is my Unmanned Systems presentation on the Slocum glider. The Slocum glider was developed by the Teledyne Web Research. The original idea stemmed from a conference on future unmanned underwater vehicles and the need for a SOFAR system that could move horizontally. Douglas Webb, the creator of the Slocum glider, published his original idea for the glider in 1989. By 1998, the Slocum glider was released to markets. The main users are and will be researchers and military. The primary environment has always been the oceans with a maximum depth of 1,000 meters. The Slocum glider has received improvements over the years, extending its max range to 13,000 kilometers and max deployment time to 18 months. Original models used to have a max deployment time of only 50 days. The main tasks the Slocum glider will complete are surveying the ocean floor, monitoring environmental conditions, tracking salinity, temperature, and pH, and quickly reporting on environmental conditions when needed. The Slocum glider can be powered in two different configurations. Older models use the 25 alkaline batteries and can only travel for 50 days at a time, whereas newer models use 27 lithium batteries and extending travel time to 18 months. The red boxes on the right outline the locations of the batteries. The batteries are split, half to power the main computer and half to power the scientific computer. Both variations include an extra emergency battery with the main computer. The Slocum glider has several modes of communication, usually or always with ships and satellites. All actions are controlled through the Slocum Fleet Mission Control software shown to the right. The red boxes above that outline the locations of the communication antenna and several communication systems. All information processing occurs in the science payload bay, where the science computer tracks and records data from all the sensors. There has been very little media attention on the Slocum glider since its release. It has been mainly covered by NASA, the U.S. Navy, and a few universities. No major news outlets have published articles about the Slocum glider. During the development of the Slocum glider, the Berlin Wall collapsed, the Hubble telescope was launched, O.J. Simpson was on trial, Princess Diana died, and Bill Clinton was impeached. Throughout the decade, tech companies and the internet as a whole grew rapidly. Several advancements in technology were needed for the Slocum glider to be possible. Without satellite communications or GPS, the glider would be useless. The internet has also helped the glider, as anything with an internet connection could theoretically control it using the fleet control software. The development of lithium-ion batteries has greatly extended the range of the Slocum glider. CPUs have also improved over the years, and the glider has been continually updated as needed. The main bottleneck of the original design was the maximum rate of data transfer, but now with improved data transfer methods, more scientific instruments can be added as needed. The true impact of the Slocum glider has yet to be seen. It has set industry standards for quality and performance. The military and scientific community continue to use the glider every day, and many believe a major breakthrough to be right around the corner. The glider is also continually improved, as better systems come out that can extend lifespan and improve performance. The Slocum glider has directly inspired the development of several other unmanned underwater vehicles. Unmanned underwater vehicles are incredibly important, as they are the future of oceanic exploration and research. They continue to outperform manned craft. UAVs provide a low-risk, high-reward wave-gathering intelligence. Unmanned spacecraft are the future of space exploration and research. And ground-based unmanned systems are the future of extraterrestrial exploration and research. In conclusion, unmanned systems will be the future of exploration, intelligence, and research on Earth and in space. Thank you for your time listening to this presentation on the Slocum glider.